Maybe it does.
Sound? Yeah, I don't know either, yeah.
I probably should have known that before some of the comments. I probably,
Well, the good thing is you're not lying. If I say something stupid, it's forever.
It's forever.
I have said stuff before. Spent the whole match apologize.
So who is this we're playing?
Rolling Thunder. I don't know where they're from.
Okay.
I feel like probably Illinois. Hey, do you know where Rolling Thunder is from?
Ellie, where's this team from, you know?
Rolling Thunder.
It boggles my mind that you guys just show up to play. You don't know.
That's all you can do, right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't even know their name. Just another team we're going to come and beat.
We're just warming up before the first match. Starting a little late. RVA's already warmed up. RVA 18 Navy taking on Rolling Thunder. I feel like they're out of Illinois, but I'm not sure. For those of you that remember the old days, see if I can get a shot here. Once and future coach Joey Jonas. As Heather is with her 15s, Joey's going to help out today along with Tim. Great to see Joey again. Jeez. Have the Electric 8 today. We have plus Izzy's back, but no Abby today. Ball. So we'll see what we can do. Gold bracket. And again, last minute tournaments for the girls. Morgan, unfortunately, was not able to play this weekend. Right to your left of the screen, Gabby from the 18 pink team filling in. And over here, number 37, Casey Farrell filling in. From 17 Navy. Should be competitive. If you've watched RVA volleyball over the past 5 years, you know that Abby is really good. However, we have gamers. We still have a ton of good players. In fact, everyone. So we'll see what we can do today. Old bracket. I will say that to her, yes. Mr. Hack. She did play well yesterday, but trying to get it done in Abby's and Morgan's place. She could do it. It's hard coming into a team also that you've never played with, right? Some nerves or whatever, but she represented yesterday. Hello, Richard. We are in Rockford, Illinois. The Rockin Rockford tournament. Thank you, Richard. She will go. 18 Navy about to get the gold bracket underway. Hey, Gabby. Your dad says good luck and play aggressive today. He just said it on the live stream. RVA 18 Navy 14-2 on the season. Would love to win this tournament, but one of the major reasons why they wanted to play going into Badger Region next week. Badger Region is basically the Wisconsin Championships. I know she laughed at it. I know you are, and so did she. Want to get some good reps in before Badger Region. That's going to be a tough bracket in the open division. RVA definitely playing where they should be, but there'll be teams like Sting Golds, FC Elite Ones, a lot of D1 and D2 players. We have a lot of college players also, but let's get them, Kelly. Getting some game repetitions this weekend is awesome. So Hack, Kitzable, Bellingham, Farrell, Connor, Borkert. I don't know what they decided on. There was some back and forth last time. I don't know what they settled on here.
Is Katie gonna play now?
Eventually, probably. But right now, Case is in the middle.
Right now, Case. Okay.
I think we're just
Feeling it out.
Yeah.
So RVA will serve first. Hey, is there a chance you guys could scoot a little that way? If you can't, you can't. It's okay, Izzy. Ava will serve first. Thank you. Thank you, Izzy. Belling gets it underway. It's a good touch by Case. So Case is in the middle, out of position, but she did get a touch on that. Good form on the block. Touch. Kobo couldn't dig it. 1-0 Rolling Thunder. Two one. Farrell back to serve. Good start by Casey. That's an ace. Yeah, Casey. The Waukesha Wonder. Number 37. Another good serve. Out of system for Rolling Thunder. Casey gets it up. Connor saves it. Borker through balls it over. Nice touch by Gabby, who's entered. 3-2 Rolling Thunder. Great serve by Casey. Farrell out of Waukesha North. 17 Navy player, playing up today. Good down. Good through by Gabby. Ava. Ellie, back set to Ava again. What a swing! Back row killer. Ring the bell for Ava Belling. And Stark will make her first appearance of the weekend as Connor will go back to serve. 3-3. Nice start. That's an ace for Connor. Captain Ace. 4-3. RVA takes their first lead. First set, first match of the day. Nice serve, buddy. Get down. Another ace for Ellie. Connor goes a little deeper this time. Hack sends it back. Hack attack. It could have been a double. That's a double. 5-6-3. Gabby gets a touch on the ball. We call that a hack attack. RVA. Jonas coaching it up. Joey Jonas, the once and future coach. It's another race rally. 8-3. Straight up Ellie, the captain. Captain of the Aces. Another good serve. Coming with the dig. Ellie leaves it for Borkert. That's a kill. Oh, they got it over. I thought that was going down. Izzy with her first. What a spot by Izzy. First touch of the tournament. Great spot. She's back, Iron Man. Just when we needed her. Ellie on a roll now. Good run by Ellie. 9-4 RVA. Como, nice and easy. Easy for Ellie. Outside the. What an adjustment by Izzy. Ava. Back set to start. What a save by Connor! Ellis, Ava saves it. Good hustle. 9-5. Good hustle, girls. Kelly, is this view okay, I hope? I'm trying to avoid the sideline, but I hope you can see most of the court. Good serve by Katie B. Ava with the dig. Leaves it back for what a swing! Rip City. Population Katie Borkert. Start calling her the mayor. The mayor of Rip City. Oh, Sark had it lined up. 11-6 now. RVA on top. First set. They have 12-6. 12-7, short serve. Dropped it in the campfire there. That was a nice serve. Go, set out. Garbage serves results in an ace. Yeah, you're fine, you're fine. 3-0 run by Thunder right now. Almost got this one though. Outside Ava, rip. What a rip. Ring the bell, Ava belling. 13-9, Como back to serve as Farrell returns for a hack. First set, first match of the day, gold bracket, 13-9 RVA. Rockin Rockford tournament from Rockford, Illinois. Almost got it. Belly high off the block. Izzy's got it lined up. She's got to push it a little bit, but she's there. 13-10, good touch. Rolling Thunder trying to hang around. Como covers. And backs it. Stark on the line! Woo! What a set by Ellie. Izzy does her specialty and screams it down the line. 14-10 RVA, start to serve. Boy, Izzy just hits her spots. So good. 14-11. Good dig on the rip by Ava. In the campfire. Ellie Connor, 15-11 RVA. Back to the top with Belling serving. Good serve by Ava. Ain't that girl up for the ace. Ring the bell. 16-11. Farrell has re-entered the match. 37 in the middle. And a good serve. Katie got a piece of that one. 16-12. Kitson will also return to the match. Almost got it. Use it for Rockford. Nice spot. Here we go, girls. Set out. 16-13. There we go. 17-13. Farrell back to serve. Walk shot wonder. And serve again.
Tops.
17-14. Yes, Thunder in the net. It's a good net play. Hey! 18-14, good net play. Leads to the Thunder in the net. Connor back to serve. Oh. Good touch. Como flashes over. Good touch in the middle. Como flashed over, but she kind of blocked the back row from getting to the ball. 18-15. That's why we call it the flash. Pink blur. Woo! Walker rips it through the block. Free ball coming. Good touch, Como's there. Great touch in the middle there. Circles cross. RVA keeping the pressure to lead to another free ball. Cross again. Nice spot, he's even high that time. Thunder's up to the challenge. Great rally. Thunder comes up on top of that one. 18-16. Here we go, set out. So, 19-16, Rockford back to serve. Here we go, KDB. Timeout, Thunder. Here we go, girls. All right, they playing hard. See Coach Joey coaching. Jonas, the 40s, 50s Navy coach, back in the day. Former Kettle Moraine head coach. Now assistant principal at Franklin High School. All-around family man and man about town. Good serve by Rockford. Almost gonna get there. Woo! Hack attack with the roof. No, Gabby. Gabby Hack. Little Lake Mills, 18 Peak, now Navy. With the roof, 2016. Another great serve by Borkert. I pushed a little too far, good adjustment by Ava. 21-16. You see how the girls, though, they pick each other up. Ava made a great adjustment, put it over. They just all complement each other so well. Served by Rockford. Hack attack wins the joust. 21-17. Good spot by the Thunder. Good up though. At least there. Save it. Good rip by Belling. Good up by Hack. Come on. Good touch. Back set to Borker. Rip. Get over there, Gabby. Borker, nice dig. Oh, that's a double. Thank God. 22-17. That's the RVA just keeps the pressure on, leads to the error on Rolling Thunder. Here we go, Gabby. Casey enters, Abby comes out. Peyton Como serving. Good serve. Ava sends it back, and that's a point, RVA. Como out of Waukesha West, or Wauwatosa West. You think I would know that. Wauwatosa West. Committed to the University of Findlay. Nice serve. Could have been another double. Ava gets a touch on it. Next set to start. Ripping and gripping and gripping and ripping. Stark tooling off the block. First set points. Good touch. Hope it's there. Outside Ava. Ring the bell, Ava Belling. Way to go, girls! Set one in the books. Gonna switch sides and see if we can finish it two. Good job, girls. I like the switch of sides.
I do like the side switching.
You like it? I hate it too.
Oh, I thought you said I
No.
do like switching sides.
No. Hello. Good. You okay there? Good fit. We can all fit. Alright. You alright?
Yeah.
Oh no. You okay?
It's always good.
Alright. You're very easy
I'm
going.
not going to get riled up.
I always get riled
bad,
up.
One bad whatever.
You is it just a sweatshirt or are you coach?
Our daughter goes there.
Oh, awesome.
To Oakland, yeah.
Yeah.
Is one of your girls going there? Or?
No, I just we went through all. My daughter's going to Findlay, so we went through all.
Yeah.
We went through the whole recruiting thing and everything. I'm just aware of Oakland because I know sports. Right?
Oh yeah. Okay. All right.
It's Horizon, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Does she play or?
Yeah, she's a senior. She's graduating and she's trying to get her fifth, her COVID year.
Sorry. Yeah. So you have to, like, you just say I'm coming back, or you gotta like apply for it, or?
You get your year. You
Right.
just it all depends. I mean, she's graduating, so she's trying to get a scholarship. That's the
Right.
That's
That
whole
is the main
you know?
thing.
It's-
Yes. I
and
can
then-
see coaches having to make decisions, right?
Yeah.
With
And then they just they're hiring a new coach. The
That's
coach
always
just
tough.
left,
That's always tough.
and that causes a
Yeah,
whole. That's a whole.
absolutely.
And then, so she wants to try and work it so that she can get one scholarship and then do like a graduate assistant to do a master's.
Yeah, for sure. Awesome.
And get it all paid for.
Right. How was your season?
They were 500.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. You got someone on the Rolling Thunder squad here?
Yeah. I'm thinking, it's almost, I kind of like this perspective sometimes.
Do you? Okay.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, right.
Not all the time. But you can see what they're doing too.
Yeah,
Easier.
absolutely. Is who's your?
She's 14.
Okay. Is she looking to go anywhere or?
Yeah, because her sister's playing there at Oakland.
Yeah.
Our older is middle. She's an outside.
Okay. Where are you guys out of?
Around the Chicago area.
Okay. Good.
Lake Zurich.
Sure.
Is,
Yeah, I'm aware of Lake Zurich. Yeah.
Yeah. But a lot of the girls are from around Arlington Heights.
Okay.
Prospect,
Sure.
Springs,
Yep. Yep.
Palatine.
Second set just started. 1-0 RVA.
If we play like that, you guys will beat us.
It was competitive for most of the set. It was all right. I mean,
I know.
good dig by Belling. Connor leaves it for Porker. Nice rip, but a better dig. Casey got up on that one. Nice dig by Kitzable. Como. Kitzable again. I think it's 1-1. I already lost track. 2-1 RVA. Home with the dig. Nice touch in the middle. Belly with the rip. Ring the bell.
Her back row attack is just
That's something we've been missing for most of our time. Awesome. Like you don't know where to go. You can go anywhere. Ellie has so many choices. 3-2.
Katie's got the same thing going on. She can hit the back row really well.
Oh yeah, right. Touch, the flash. Good rally. Our swings, even if it's not a kill, put so much pressure on the other team. Leads to the bad swing. 4-2 RVA. Second set, first match, gold bracket. RVA against Rolling Thunder out of Lake Zurich. Hack attack! Another roof for Gabby. Keep it going, Ellie.
Keep it up, Ellie.
5-2. Woo! Palmo using that angle. Back set to start. It's all right, they got her that time. 6-3. See how Peyton uses those angles, though. Drops her body out of the way and angles her arms for the serve receiver dig. So good. Just deadens the ball in the center. Ava, great up. Borkert strings it down the line. Rip City. The mayor's calling. 6 or 7? 6-3. I'll go with 6-3. You're right. I don't know. 6-3 RVA. According to Connor. It's a lift. Nice dig. Off the good swing by Ava. Como on the free ball. Nice spot by Gabby. A hack attack. She finally opening. 7-3 RVA. Second set. You got it? I'll go with that. That's a good spot. Split the block. 7-4 RVA. You got it. You're right.
You see it?
You're right. 7-4 now. Yep. Como. Hack attack. Gabby on fire right now on Lake Mills, number 38 for Navy. I don't know what her peak number is, but 8-4 Como to serve. Deep serve by Como. 8-5. Como muscling up. She's been working out. Trying to adjust to her new muscles. Good up by Bolker. Backs up to Seshtino. Como's there. Como's always there. 8-6. We're taking good swings. They'll be down soon. 8-6 RVA. A little bit of run. Woo! What a good dig. But that was down. 8-7. So a 3-0 run here by Thunder, the Rolling Thunder. That's the back of the match. Back in this set. Stark splits the block. Connor was so quick, there's no block to set up. Stark, Iron Man Stark, takes care of the rest. Izzy Stark, number 9, out of Mukwonago High School. 9-8. RVA, Rolling Thunder with the serve. Nice belly, goes high hands. Breaks the run, 10-8. Ringing the bell for Ava Belly, and she will go back to serve. Ten 9. Here we go, girls, sit out. Nice adjustment by Casey. Out. We're in the net? I guess we're in the net. Yeah. Good adjustment by Casey, but we're in the net, so 10-10. 10-10. There's no scoreboard. We're up 11-10, second set.
We can't get rid of you. I know my daughter's here.
How do you do? We won the first. It's 11-10 us in the second.
I gotta go watch it. Marie is a true believer that man should be not watched.
That's cool.
I want to watch.
Silver champion. We got 11s now. tilt-a-whirl.
I thought that was 4 hits on the other side.
I don't know what happened. So 12-11, good set developing here. 12-11 RVA. Could have been a double. It's out anyway. 13-11. I've already called a couple doubles on this Rolling Thunder center. But if I'm being honest, I don't always know what a double is. Connor, good spot. Belling there for the dig. Yeah, easy. 14-11. Timeout Thunder. There you go, Ellie. This is where RVA made their run in the first set with Connor serving. It's Stark just putting it wherever she wants right now. Tips, hits. Glad to have her back as a Stark. Missing Neitzel and Savatsky today, both are middles. Casey Farrell up from 17 Navy, the Waukesha Wonder. Not a lot of experience in the middle, but doing a good job. And Gabby Hack making her presence known today. Nice serve by Ellie. Almost got it. What a dig. That's a good dig. Lisa points. Again, you don't always get the kill, but that rip got Rolling Thunder all out of system. 15-11 RVA. Ooh. $15-12 RVA. If I tried to stand in front of an Ellie Connor serve, the ball would go through me. It's out! Again, Stark tooling, using the toolbox. 60-12 RVA. Walker, serve. Package. Oh, came over. I thought it can't be happening. 16-13. 16-13. I don't think that slides. I mean, they got the kill on that, so be it. But that slide's not doing much for Thunder right now. 17-13. Home with a serve as Farrell returns for Jack. $17-14. Stark those high hands. Farrell sends it back to Stark. Good spot. 17-15. Casey sends it back again. Farrell getting touches everywhere. The Waukesha Wonder. A good dig again. We're taking our best shots here. Good rally here. What a rally. What are you going to do? 17-16. It's a good rally. It's a garbage swing, but it worked. She it was a mistimed play, but she got enough of it. 17-16. Thunder doing a good job hanging around. RVA needs to get their serves into the court. Kitzable back to serve. Got 17s. Here we go, girls. Here we go. I'd be thinking about a timeout right now. It's hot in here. Girls maybe a little gassed, but need a side out. Woo! Thunder doing a great job digging. Yes, in the net. And again, Borkert's hits.
Double.
It's a double? No net, double. You guys gotta, yeah, you're on the, oh yeah, gotta move. You're on the court. You guys gotta move.
Come on. How are they supposed to even get the ball?
Hey, y'all, get off the court! Well, don't stand there then. Wait over there. I think it's 19-17. Can we call it timeout? Us? So Thunder must have called the timeout. I'm gonna find Wisconsin juniors to stand in the middle of their court.
I can't believe you would hold the play.
Well, I'm trying to wave at him.
Yeah.
Go sit down somewhere or wait in the lobby. We're all in the same situation here. Boy, I got no filter. It's personal flaw, Scott. 2017 RVA. Farrell to serve.
We're getting killed by our servers.
2018. Connor just said it, serving hurting us. A little bit like it did yesterday. Get out by Kitzable. So every time we get a little push in, Thunder will regroup 20-19. Thunder's digging really well. The defense is playing awesome. Back to 20s. 3-0 run by Thunder. Let's go. Let's put the ball down. Thunder takes their first lead. Timeout RVA. Good timeout by Joey. Girls scrapping away. Thunder hanging around. First lead since early, potentially, for the Thunder. Good set. Thunder letting nothing hit the ground. Woo! That's the one. Rip City, Borkert. 21-21. Out of the serve. Nice and easy, Al. You got it. 22-21, RVA. Oh, good save. That's an ace for Connor. Captain Ace when you need her. 23-21. Let's push
Come on,
two.
Ellie, end this thing.
Nice and easy, Ellie. You got it.
Serves are killing us.
23-22, RVA. Get it to him. Cross. Yeah! Match point, RVA. Nice and easy, Katie. You got it. Good serve. It's gonna block. It's gonna block, Izzy. Oh, Gabby puts it back. Izzy, Gabby up. Ellie. Come on, Ava. Yeah! Woo! This team's resiliency is unbelievable. Navy wins in 2. Nice match.
Congrats.
Yeah, nice match. Still very competitive. It's a good squad, you guys got.
Thanks.
RVA wins in 2. We play, I don't know when, a couple hours. Just play at 3. So we'll hang out and we'll see you then.